Morning everyone, this is Nolan with Kooima Ag. Today's Tech Tuesday tip, I want to talk to you about cutter head knives. For an example, I have a John Deere here beside me, John Deere knife. Today's technical solution is diameter. When putting new knives on, new corn knives for this looks like a pretty good corn season for as far as tonnage, we want to have all the carbide showing as possible, so that the diameter of the cutter drum remains the biggest possible for more corn after it gets chopped to get hidden between the shear bar and the cutter head. If you are debating whether or not the knives are half gone and you got a little tungsten carbide left, beautiful crop out there this year, guys. Buy new corn knives from us. Get that full diameter. Get the capacity that the chopper is designed to do to get the full diameter cut ahead before that corn crop season comes. This also holds true for cloths, New Holland and Krone. Thank you. This is Nolan for Tech Tuesdays at Kooima Ag.